Hello, this is Abigail speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order some food for my breakfast.
Sure. May I know your name and room number, ma'am?
Sure, I am Mylene Villarice and my room number is 412.
Certainly, ma'am. What would you like to order?
I'd like the continental breakfast, please. And can I also get a pot of coffee?
Okay, got it. That's one continental breakfast and one cup of coffee. Anything else I can get for you, ma'am?
No, that's all. By the way, what is the estimated delivery time?
We can have that up to your room within 20 to 25 minutes, ma'am. Is that alright, ma'am?
Yes, that's perfect.
Ma'am, may I know how would you like to send your payment, ma'am? Through cash, credit card, or GCash? Okay, ma'am. I noted your order and it will be up to your room shortly. Please let me know if there anything else I can assist you.
Great, thank you so much.
You're very welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your meal. Have a wonderful day.
You too, bye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you.